Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Legal Bee channel. If you're planning to appear for the IBPS SO Law Officer exam this year, then this video is your reality check as well as your roadmap, right? And the reality check is that you should start your preparation for this year's cycle today itself. As per the tentative calendar that has been released by the conducting body, the IBPS SO exam is likely to be held on 29th August 2026 for your prelims stage. That means from today, you have roughly about 3 months for your prelims and about 5 months for your mains law paper. So the question is, are you using these months strategically, or are you going to wait till the panic season starts? First, let's break down the timeline in a simple way. If prelims is around 29th of August 2026, you have effectively around 3 months to build your base and clear the first filter. That is your prelims examinations. Once prelims are done, you will have roughly 2 additional months before your law means paper, which is where the real competition lies, especially for the law officer post. So in total, you are looking at 3 months time period for your foundation law subjects plus your prelims oriented preparation, and 5 months is the overall window to reach the mains level. The syllabus is vast, especially on the law side, right? And that is exactly why starting now can make all the difference between targeted, confident preparation and your last minute chaos. Most aspirants make one of these two mistakes, right? Either they delay starting, thinking that there is still time, or they start but without any structure, so they're jumping randomly between topics. Both of these are dangerous when the law syllabus includes multiple legislations, including your core acts, your procedural laws, your financial sector laws, your banking laws, as well as your general aptitude for prelims. So, with 3 months to prelims and 5 months to mains, this is a sweet spot where you can build a solid, strong base for your prelims, that is your reasoning, English, and general awareness. Simultaneously, you can also start layering in the important law subjects, right? So, you avoid the trap of rushing through barracks without retention, right? If you start now and you follow a clear plan, you will not only cover the high weight acts in depth, but you will keep a revision space for yourself, and you will still have time to solve MCQs and past year question papers instead of only reading theory, right? So, given this timeline, your approach should be, of course, phase one. That means more focus on phase one, that is your prelims examination, strengthening your prelims subject so that the cutoff is not a worry. Parallelly, also start your core law subjects that are common across exams and are crucial for mains. For instance, constitutions, your criminal laws, your civil laws, your corporate laws, contract laws, right? And then comes your phase two preparation, that is post your prelims examination, where your shift is now focused heavily to law. So you revise the core subjects, you add your banking legislations, your sector specific laws, and you solve subject wise and mixed law based MCQs. So if you treat prelims and mains as two separate universes, right, and you are going to naturally feel very overwhelmed. So if you treat them as two phases of one continuous plan, the same effort will serve you twice. And this is exactly where guidance on what to prioritize and what to skip becomes crucial. So to help you use these 3 to 5 months in the best possible way, there is a dedicated IBPS SO law officer workshop. It's coming on 15th of May 2026 at 7 p.m., right? This is going to be an online free workshop. So in this workshop, the discussion will focus on the exam pattern for IBPS SO law officer, the most important legislations you need to target for the means law paper, how to prioritize acts and structure your 3 months and 5 month plan respectively, how to balance your prelims preparation with your means oriented law from day one, right? So this is especially helpful if you are a fresher, you're coming back after a gap in preparation, or you have given the exam earlier but you felt that your strategy was not sharp enough. So if you're serious about IBPS SO law officer exam 2026, remember that the tentative date is 29th August 2026 for prelims, means the countdown has already started. You have 3 months to clear the first stage and 5 months to build mains level sort of law sort of preparation, and this is the best time to start your structured preparation, neither too early to lose focus nor too late to feel rushed. So if you want help in turning this timeline into a clear actionable plan, make sure you register for the workshop on 15th of May at 7 p.m. using the link in the description below. Do it now before you close this video so that your next few months are guided and they are not guesswork. All the best. See you in the next video.